everybody, welcome back to The Legend of Melda. Today we're playing Pokemon Red, the Bird Challenge. We are in Saffron City at the moment. I was gonna level up in between and just get everybody at a higher level. I don't remember where I left off, but everyone's in the 40s, so I figure let's just do the fighting gym, take on that nonsense, then do Team Rocket, whatever that is called when they're in there. I can't remember. And then we'll do Sabrina, and in the off time I went over to Cinnabar Island just so that we could fly there afterwards. I didn't do anything there, I just went there. And I thought after Cinnabar Island, but before Giovanni, we'd go and catch the legendary birds. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's all that is. And here we go with it. Nope, stop. Here we go with this. Hey guys, here we are, about to take on Giovanni. Just beat Gary, whatever his name is, this time around. I forgot, it's been a couple weeks. I didn't really have anything to say other than, like, he's a jerk, so I figured I did slow the battle down if you want to watch it, but otherwise it's just Farfetch'd really just kicking ass, honestly. So this time with Giovanni will be a lot easier now that we have Natasha, our Golduck. She has 2 water type moves, and that'll just make life infinitely easier. So, almost everybody leveled up a little bit. Nothing particularly special happened in between. So, but I'm having a really fun time with this bird challenge. I think I want to do it for Silver afterwards. Pokemon Silver, but I'm trying to think what birds you get in Pokemon Silver that are different. Like you get Hoot Hoot. That's like the first one that comes to mind. I can't think of anybody else really. And of course, you know, Ho-Oh and well, do you consider Lugia to be a bird type? I mean, like, if you watch the movie, it only comes out when the Burbs or the Legendaries or someone. I don't know. It's obviously not a bird, but it's flies. Well, then by that logic, a butterfly is a bird, so that's not true. I don't know. I love Nidoqueen. She's cute. They're all cute. I know I say that about everybody, but man, I have not been paying attention at all to this battle. I've just been hitting the A button. Well, it's S on the keyboard, but you already knew this was an emulator. We already had that conversation. We talked about it. Yeah, we did it. Awesome. We beat Giovanni, and now we're gonna go take on Sabrina. And then, I don't remember what I said in the beginning. If we're gonna do the Legendaries and then Cinnabar, or Cinnabar and then the Legendaries, we'll just do what feels right. Oh, and I also gotta make a stop back in Fuchsia and pick up Strength, because I still got the guy's teeth, and I totally forgot about that. So, that's about that. See you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, here we are at Sabrina's gym. I went and did some of the nonsense I said I had to do, so that's about it. I'm gonna take this opportunity to level some people up. So I'm gonna be fighting all of the side trainers, and I'll be here. Alright guys, here we are fighting Sabrina. Oh, I meant to switch the leader Pokemon, but I totally wasn't paying attention. Whoopsies. Oh well. We'll just, it's fine. Everything's fine. Echo learned this Tri-Attack move, which is super neat. So, that's cool. Ooh, it is cool. I got rid of Fury Attack, and I'm not so sure that was the best idea, but I figure with all the other attacks, and since he also has Drill Peck, it's totally cool. Yeah. Looks like he was throwing like a trapezoid. This is a good move. Am I too OP for this gym? I don't think I'm that high of a level. I'm not terribly high. Whoops, I meant to hit the down button. Oh, is this gonna go? Oh, well, didn't matter. Great. Yeah! Echo can do this because he's the bomb.com. Yeah, that is a damn good move. I had trouble actually getting warping in because I wasn't paying attention. I was just holding the speed button and like up, down, left, or right. And I think I might cut a lot of that out because it's literally a good minute and a half of me just sprinting through the warps. And I think like this warp also doesn't take you back to the beginning once you've done it. You have to go through. Don't tell me what to do. Okay. Oh, also, you if you watched through the sped up thing, you saw that I went in the Celadon grocery store, whatever, and bought like carbos and shit, just to kind of no, okay. This one? Oh my god, okay, hang on. Okay, here we go. I bought like carbos and stuff and some proteins and all that other fun stuff. Just to kind of get everybody on the same health level. And because I had all this money. So much money. I didn't like out the wazoo, you know? Too much money. Okay, let's just go to Cinnabar Island, get that over with, and then before we take on what's his face, we'll go and door is locked. Oh, that's right. We'll go and oh, this is a good opportunity for Natasha. We'll go and find the legendaries. Okay, I'm gonna go search for the key. I'll be right back. Hey guys, here we are, ready to fight Blaine. Woo. Went through the Pokemon Mansion, which was a bunch of nonsense. Pokemon Mansion is like such a weird backstory too, filled with lore and everything, and the idea is that like there's a bunch of Dittos there because they were trying to recreate Mew, so Ditto is like a thing based on Mew, and I'm sure everybody and their mother knows that, but it's still, we were there, so we have to talk about it. I didn't run into any Dittos. I ran into everything else under the sun. Like, I'd take a step and I was attacked and I was getting so frustrated. It was worse than, like, Zubats in Dark Tunnel. It was absurd. But now we're good. And I got the key, and I think, like, in a couple versions of, I don't know, but I thought that, like, Moltres used to be in there, and I'm pretty sure it's in Victory Road Tunnel, whatever that place is. But I thought for some reason it used to be at the Pokemon, because it makes sense, right? Like, it's an abandoned mansion with all these fire Pokemon in there. You know, like, Zapdos is at the power plant, and Articuno is in the Seafoam Islands. So, it would make sense. I don't know. I'm not going back in there, though. I'd rather die. It was just such a pain in the ass to get there. So, okay, wow, I wasn't paying attention again. Natasha's great. She's just, like, killing it here. So, after this, we are gonna go and get the legendaries, and then we are gonna go and take on Giovanni, and then, you know, we are ready for the Elite Four. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep a legendary on the team, like if I swap somebody out, or not. I know that Ducks, the Farfetch'd, has a really high attack, so I think it's, oh, Fury Swipes. What else does she know? So I think, like, I'd keep, like, Ducks, but I might get rid of Coco, you know, or Echo's been pretty useful. I have to go through and see. Yeah, let's get rid of Scratch. Yeah, man. We're past Scratch at this point. Awesome. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end it here. Next time, we are gonna get those Burbs and then Giovanni. So, a few more episodes. Alright, guys, I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye!